Hi, I'm Luke from Utopia Clivias, and today I'm going to show you how to harvest and clean your Clivia seeds.
At Utopia Clivias, every pollination is meticulously recorded, both on the flower stem and in our trusted pollination book. Nothing here is left to chance. To protect the developing seeds and make harvesting easier, we cover the berries with mesh bags. This helps keep them grouped together and prevents accidental loss. As soon as a berry becomes soft to gentle pressure, it's ready to be harvested. This is usually from 6 months onward. Some berries will have changed color, red, orange, even maroon, while others may still appear green. We've found that color isn't always the best indicator. Ripeness is more about texture than tone.
When you harvest your Clivia seeds, you always need to cut at an angle, keeping the name in for identification and for later on if you need to identify the plant again. You never cut the seeds too short so that the stem on the mother plant can naturally die down.
And now the real magic, the seeds themselves. They come in a range of shapes, sizes and colors. To us, just as beautiful as the flowers they'll one day produce. Here's a look at some of the seed variations, from pale pastels to vibrant reds, deep maroons and even striped seeds. Every seed is unique. We've had a fantastic seed harvest this year, and seeing the results of our hard work is incredibly rewarding. Once all the seeds are cut and collected, we're ready for the next step, cleaning your seeds, and we'll show you exactly how in part 2 of this video.
Now that we've harvested our seeds, we're going to need a few things to clean them. Some sunlight dishwashing liquid, multi-purpose bleach, tissue paper and a clean bowl of water. The first thing you do is you have to take the seeds out and put them in a dish with their names. Now we need to clean them. So we've opened up the berry. You can see there's a lot of skin on them. Take them out of everything. And you see there's another layer. The seeds need to come out.
Wash your seeds thoroughly, removing all skin and pulp, a crucial step for healthy germination. Then, gently pat them dry with a towel. And that's it. Clean, protected and properly labeled seeds ready to grow into the next generation of Clivia beauty.